Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Ratings agency Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services, CARICRIS, says Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, is expected to maintain overall operational and financial stability over the next 12 to 15 months. As a result, the regional agency has maintained JPS's stable outlook and reaffirmed its ratings. However, the ratings agency has flagged the limited duration of JPS license as a major constraint on the company's ability to secure long-term financing. CARICRIS says this has affected JPS capacity to rehabilitate critical infrastructure and lock in long-term power supply contracts. As a result, JPS has deferred some infrastructure projects and scaled back its smart grid expansion program to about US $1.7 billion, down from the originally planned US $2.7 billion. Proven Management Limited, the investment manager of Proven Group Limited, has announced the establishment of a strategic partnership with the Cornerstone Group, owned by the family that owns the KFC franchise in Jamaica. Cornerstone is the largest shareholder of Barita Investments and the second largest shareholder of Proven. The partnership, announced on Tuesday, represents a significant step toward deepening collaboration between the two groups and positioning their respective platforms for sustained growth. In particular, the collaboration brings together Proven's expertise in real estate development and Cornerstone's high-quality property portfolio. For the trading period ending December 16, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,100,214 units, representing 27.23% of market sales volume. Wigton Energy Limited with 1,202,475 units, representing 10.56% of market sales volume. MFS Capital Partners Limited with 864,318 units, representing 7.59% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $68.10 million purchased and US $64.84 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.58 per dollar, selling the US at $160.72 and buying the US at $159.14. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.41 per transaction, with selling at $112.66 and buying at $116.07. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.43 in profit, with selling at $213.87 and buying at $211.44. During national crises, whether it's a climate crisis or an economic crisis, Human Resources Department can protect employee productivity by watching early indicators of financial strain, such as payroll advances, absenteeism, and health card usage. Normalizing financial wellness as a business stability issue and offering short, structured financial education that focuses on practical behaviors like debt reduction and cash flow management rather than one-off seminars can be an important way to boost productivity. Programs that are confidential, group-based, and easy to administer, reduce distraction, improve engagement, and support retention, especially among frontline and mid-career staff. Measuring results over 60 to 90 days through engagement trends, absenteeism, and turnover helps HR demonstrate that addressing financial stress is not a perk, but a strategic leveler for sustaining workforce performance during periods of economic pressure. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.